Greetings to all viewers of the channel. I have already made a video about the Lista DAO project in which I talked about all the advantages of this project. And in today's video, I would like to focus on their product Lista Lending, which solves the problem of decentralized lending. Lista Lending is a new generation of decentralized lending protocols developed by the Lista DAO community. But first, let me briefly remind you about the Lista DAO project itself and what are its key features that set it apart from others. So, it consists of three key parts. And the first key feature is the Lista USD stablecoin. This stablecoin provides scalable liquidity within the ecosystem. The second key feature is liquid staking BNB, which can be used to receive SLIS BNB. And as for the SLIS BNB currency, it's a liquid token that opens up access to staking rewards and also allows for flexibility in lending or collateralization. And the third key feature is the Lista Lending product, which I will tell you about in detail today. It is a capital-efficient P2P lending protocol, utilizing curated vaults and isolated credit markets with different rate parameters. The platform combines DeFi's advanced technologies to offer users efficient and flexible solutions for borrowing against crypto assets on the BNB Chain network. And the main goal of the project is to increase the liquidity and availability of financial instruments while maintaining a high level of security and decentralization. By operating on the Binance Smart Chain, Lista Lending offers low fees and fast transaction speeds, making it attractive to users of different levels. Let's take a closer look at how Lista Lending works. And here, as I mentioned earlier in the video, Lista Lending uses vaults and markets in its operation. Lista Vault contains a single loan asset and distributes deposits across multiple Lista Lending markets. And here any user can act as a provider and deposit funds into the vault, earning passive income from interest payments to the borrower. The vault is managed by actively matching suppliers with borrowers in its associated markets. And as for the markets, in turn, it is an isolated credit pool that combines one collateral asset with one credit asset, for example, USDT with BNB. Each market operates independently, isolating risk to prevent spillovers and remaining unchanged after launch. And each vault can have multiple markets, and interest rates in each market are automatically adjusted based on supply and demand. Suppliers place a credit asset such as USDT in a vault of their choice. Each vault has only one type of credit asset that can be deployed in multiple markets. And once deposited, the vault allocates the credit asset to these markets to generate income over time. Borrowers, on the other hand, can repay the loans at any time, including accrued interest, and upon repayment, their collateral is fully returned to the borrower. Likewise, suppliers can withdraw their deposit and receive interest at any time, provided there is available liquidity in the vault. Lista Lending is therefore a very useful product for both providers and borrowers. So, and let's summarize the above and list the main benefits. Lista Lending combines efficient and flexible deployment, permissionless P2P lending model, support advanced strategies, multi-oracle design, upgradable contracts, enhanced risk control measures. And compared to other similar solutions, Lista Lending has the advantages of low fees and high efficiency, as well as flexible loan terms and enhanced security. This article provides a visual comparison of Lista Lending with other competitors, and you can follow the link in the description and read everything in detail. Lista Lending has really the lowest interest rates, and for example, the interest rate for a BNB loan is only 0.9%. In general, the decentralized lending industry is very relevant, as well as the Lista Lending project itself, because already many times this topic has been discussed and tweeted among the cryptocurrency community, and even CZ Binance himself made posts about it. Another important factor is that Lista Lending has a user-friendly user interface. And let me tell you about this interface in a few words. To start using Lista Lending, you can follow the link in the description. On the page that opens, you need to connect your cryptocurrency wallet, which must have BNB on it. Once connected, you will see options such as Earn for lending and Borrow for borrowing. Let's start with the Earn tab. Here you can select a repository from the list provided. Click on a wallet to go to its page. In the deposit section, enter an amount, for example 10 BNB, or click Max. Check the annualized yield and estimated profit. And if you are satisfied with everything, click on Deposit. Then confirm the transaction in your wallet. And as for the yield, you will be able to track it in the dashboard. And you can withdraw your assets at any time, also by clicking on the wallet and then clicking on the withdrawal button. Let's move now to the Borrow section. In the list of borrowed collateral, you can filter by asset, for example, SLIS BNB or BNB. Select the relevant details such as collateral name, loan token, LLTV, loan amount, and loan rate. Then select the market that suits you. And on this page, enter the amount of collateral to be provided. Also enter the loan amount, check the rate, and confirm the transaction. On the loan page also you can track your debt, and to do that click on My Position and you can pay off your debt at any time. Well, on that note, the video comes to an end. In conclusion, I would like to add that Lista Lending is a really powerful tool for managing cryptocurrency assets, combining a user-friendly interface, favorable rates, and high security. So, Lista DAO platform and their product Lista Lending is a great choice for those who want to work efficiently with DeFi. Also, Lista Lending confidently challenges the Binance protocol monopoly by offering sought-after features and favorable terms in the decentralized lending. As for all the useful links, I will leave them in the description. And I also want to remind you that you should always do your own analysis before investing in cryptocurrency projects. And you should not be guided by videos alone. All videos are not a financial recommendation and they are only for informational purposes. That's all for now. Bye.